Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I am in my comfy cozy robe because today's week of love is going to be a self-care, self-love, love yourself, love your skin kind of day. So I have already done my morning routine. For those of you who want to know what my morning routine is or nightly routine, I will tag that video down below because I did make one on that. And today is really just going to be about a royal treatment for yourself. An at-home facial is basically what I'm doing. So I just got back from getting my brows done. They look so much better. Excuse me, puppies. Please be quiet. Hey, shush. Hey. They would start playing as I'm about to film. Okay, so anyways, as I was saying, we're gonna go ahead and do a royal treatment today on ourselves. Just a little facial, relaxing day. So go through this, do this for yourself, do an at-home facial, grab a glass of wine, a good book, sit in a tub, whatever you guys want to do, a nice warm bubble bath. I am going to put mine on, grab a good book and a little something to drink, and enjoy taking care of myself, because a week of love should not be just about loving those around you, friends and family. It should be about loving yourself too and loving your skin because it protects you. So I'm gonna go ahead, I have already done my, again, normal skincare routine with the Rodan and Fields Unblemished line. I will mention that down below for you guys if that's something you want to refer to. And then right now I'm gonna go ahead and go on, put my 24K peel off mask. It's good as gold. It looks like this. It came in a 3-step process. I've just torn the first one off. And yeah, it says to leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. So once you go ahead and do that, just leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, enjoy yourself, and then it peels right off. So let's go ahead and get this on. Okay, so I went ahead and peeled that right off, took any extra off with just a warm cloth with water, and then now you move on to step 2, which is the Bye Bye Bags Under Eye Mask. So let's take a look, and you leave these on for 15 minutes, and it's supposed to help get rid of any bags under your eyes. It comes in a package like this. So once the 15 minutes have passed, you can go ahead and take these off. And then just pat in any excess. That felt really nice under my eyes. And then for the last and final step, it's the Feeling Firm Firming Cream. You are just gonna apply a dime size amount of this to your cleansed face and neck area every morning and night. So this contains like a lot in here, so you can save some for like later usage. Apply it to your neck and chest. And that is it. Thank you everybody so much for staying tuned with me in my at-home facial routine. Something just to pamper you in your week of love. It's a day for you as well. It's really important to love yourself, love who you are. You are amazing, you are beautiful. You mean something to someone, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this. You guys mean a lot to me. I love you all. Thank you for all of your love and support and watching my videos. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel for some more content. And also check out my other videos that I've posted so far, and stay tuned for more on the Week of Love. Thanks so much, guys. I love you all. I'll see you next time.